Namaskar, this is Professor Eslal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, today I am here to discuss about topology and the topic for our discussion is today. Though I am going to share some study material in this lecture to you also. But firstly, I would like to suggest you that note down what I am telling you. Let us write a comparison of topologies. The topic is comparison of topologies. Means we have to compare between different topologies. So let us write the definition. That what do you mean by comparison of topologies? Let us start. Let capital X be a non-empty set. Let capital X be a non-empty set. And let J1 and J2 in capital U, right? And let J1 and J2 be topologies, the two topologies on capital X, comma. Then J1 is capital J1, suffix 1, and J1 is called weaker, or coarser, C-O-A-R-S-E-R, coarser than J2, and the first bracket is right, or J2 is stronger, or J2 is stronger or finer, F-I-N-E-R, finer than J1. If J1 improper subset sign is right, J1 improper subset sign, J2. So this is the, you can say stronger means finer and weaker means coarser. So if you say stronger means you are talking about finer, fine and finer, and weaker means coarser. So students, in another word, we can write this as, please write in another word, J1 is called coarser, J1 is called coarser than J2. Or in other words again, J2 is called finer than J1. J2 is called finer than J1. If for every open set of the topological space is right in the first bracket, capital X comma J1 is also an open set, in the topological space XJ2, the first bracket, capital X comma J2. Here it is important to note that, please write, here it is important to note that J1 is called, capital J1, suffix 1, J1 is called strictly coarser than J2, or J2 is called strictly finer than, or J2 is called strictly finer than finer than J1 if J1 is right sign of proper subset. Is right sign of proper subset like C. If J1 proper subset sign is right proper subset sign like small c right there. If J1 proper subset sign J2, change paragraph and again start writing. If either J1 improper subset sign J2, if either J1 improper subset sign J2 or J2 improper subset sign J1, then we say that then we say that J1 and J2 then we say that J1 and J2 are comparable. J1 and J2 are comparable. And right further, and if J1 is not a subset of J2 and J2 is not a subset of J1, then they are said to be incomparable. Then they are said to be incomparable. So I hope students you have written what I have just delivered. I am trying to illustrate this with a practical example that how you can distinguish between, you can say, stronger and weaker topologies, means how you can compare. So suppose you are from Banaras and you have having 100 acres of land and other properties also. Another person is of having 100 acres of land but no other properties. Then you find here that you and between that person of Banaras are having some elements as common, 100 acres of land. So that person who are having only 100 acres of land is your subset in case of the, let's say, context of the discussion of the example, and you are the superset. So either you are subset here in this case, if I say, if I take you and the example of Dhirubhai Ambani or Mukesh Ambani, then you are, he has having 1,000 acres of lands and other some properties also. So in that case, you are subset of this Ambani. So if you are showing that you are superset, then you are stronger. If you are showing that you are proper subset, you are weaker. This is the basic funda. Just and with the help of this example, you can compare the concept of, you know that if a set is taken and if you take a topology and you say Xj is form a topological space. So two different topological spaces are here being taken, and you are comparing these two topological spaces on the basis of their, you can say, subset or improper subset of being each other. So students, I hope that you have got me that what I want to say you. Firstly, you should note down this lecture, and then you should visit to the portal to see the study materials that has been uploaded there. So, students, this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 or Jyoti Vidya V1 Samsung. And in case of any query, feel free to write your comment in the box. I shall try to resolve your query from there. Also, during live discussion, you can put your query before me, and I shall try to resolve your query at that moment also. Thank you very much for listening and enjoying this lecture.